The AZDOME Mirror Dashcam uses an 11.8 IPS anti-glare full touchscreen with 2.5D glass. It supports front and rear camera recording, allowing you to switch between front and rear view or monitor dual lenses at the same time in order to view more traffic information and achieve safer driving reversing. The simple interface with its fast response time gives you the best experience. Cameras adopt G sensors with an f1.8 aperture, which can capture dual 1080p high-definition footage. Even in low light conditions, they can filter overexposure from vehicles' headlights and provide you with a sharp and crisp image, ensuring driving safety at night. While your vehicle is off, the parking assistance function serves as a surveillance camera system. The camera automatically switches to the rear image when reversing, making parking a breeze. The G sensors will automatically lock and store video in case of sudden impact and collision, providing video evidence of the accident. Loop recording will overwrite the earliest saved video when the remaining memory is insufficient, but will skip the emergency locked video. Locked files will not be overwritten. The AZDOME Mirror Dashcam improves the resolution of the backup camera to 1080p, ensuring that the dual camera can record your driving clearly, register and record license plates, road signs,